Hi everybody, I'm back and today I'm going to show you all how to make Rotel Dip. Now the first thing that you will need, over here I have 2.5 pounds of ground beef that I've browned up and I've drained the grease. Now right here, let me zoom in a little bit. Right here, this is refried beans, okay? That's 1 can of refried beans. I'm going to mix this refried beans in with this cooked beef, all right? The ingredients that you will need is, this is a 32-ounce Velveeta block. I'm going to use the whole block. You will need milk, tortilla chips, and Rotel. And in the back there, I have green onions that I'm going to garnish with. Now, let's turn our flame up onto a medium. And we want to cook this refried beans in with our meat. Okay? So, just like so. All right, I'm going to put this pan over here. All right, bring this pan into the equation. And what we're going to do, we're going to open up our Velveeta. Okay, now if you wanted to, you can cut this Velveeta, cut it into chunks. Let me zoom in on it. Cut it into chunks and it'll melt faster for you if you want it to, okay? All right, let's get this open and get it into our pan. And now what I like to do, because this will take a while to melt, what I like to do is melt this with milk. All right. Okay, so let's take this aluminum off of here, this foil. There we go. Make sure you do not have your flame up on high. You want to have it like on a low flame, okay? That way your milk or your cheese does not have a chance to burn, okay? So let's just start out with a little bit of milk that looks like it's about maybe a little over a half a cup. All right, let me get a spoon. And we'll just let that go. Keep a good eye on it. Once it starts to melt, I'll be back. Okay everyone, I'm back and let me zoom in onto our cheese so you can see it well. This has been cooking for about 4 minutes, okay? And that's on a low heat, a little higher than low. And just keep an eye on it. It looks like I might need a little bit more milk, all right? Just to help thin it out, just a little bit. Don't thin it out too much, all right? You know what a cheese sauce looks like, okay? And that's all you need to do. Okay? See that? Now, let me show you this. Over here, I have the ground beef, and you can see where the refried beans have been incorporated, and they've got heated up with the beef as well. All right? So now, we got our ground beef and our refried beans heating up. We have our cheese melting with milk. Once this is completely melted, we're going to put our 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel in here. Okay? Let's let this melt and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm back. Now, all together, I've put 1 cup of milk into our Velveeta. Our Velveeta is nice and smooth. See this? Beautiful. That's what we're wanting, okay? Now, next thing that we're going to do, go ahead and throw your Rotel in, okay? Throw your Rotel in, just like so. Okay, I kept the juice in one of the cans. In the other can, I poured all of the juice off. Now, right now, this is on a low heat, okay? All right, let's let the flavors from the Rotel incorporate into the cheese for about maybe 3 minutes or so, and then we'll add our ground beef and our refried beans. Now guys, trust me when I tell you this. Make it this way. This is the way your family will lose their mind over this. Put that refried bean in there. Normally people don't put refried beans in there, but I've done it this way, guys, and people cannot pinpoint what it is that I put in there. And it's that refried beans, and it just takes it overboard, guys. So give that a try. Okay, see this? Here's our sauce with the Rotel. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. See that? That's what we want. And this Rotel has some heat to it, guys. See that? This Rotel has heat to it. It's going to have a little bit of spice. Let me taste this. It's beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Now, here's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and we're going to incorporate our ground beef. Make sure that you drain your ground beef well. Okay, this is 2.5 pounds of beef, 1 15-ounce can of refried beans. All right, let's throw it all in. Oh, that pan is heavy. Okay, there we go. Just like so. All right, now mix this well. Just like this, guys. This right here can go to any birthday party, any cookout, any get together. If you guys are just sitting at the house on the weekend playing cards, make this, whip this out and see what they say. And watch how fast it leaves, right? This here is a dip your family will never forget. It's so tasty. It's so good. It has heat, but it's not too hot to where, you know, the little ones won't want it. Everyone loves this that eats this, guys. This right here, and I'm going to zoom in for you. This right here is Rotel 101. Put the refried beans in there, guys. That's the way to do it. And now, when I cook my ground beef, the seasonings that I like to use, I use salt and pepper and garlic powder. I use like a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and I use onion powder. That's it, guys. I drain my beef very well. I have to taste this. It smells so good, guys. Oh my goodness. My family is ready to eat. They said, what are we having for dinner today? I said, we're going to have Rotel Dip. And this is our dinner today. I made enough so we can have some now. And then later when they get hungry, they can have some more. This 2.5 pounds of beef makes a lot when you mix it with that 32-ounce, cheese. And then the 2 cans of Rotel. All right, look at this, guys. We're going to let this go for another 5 minutes, and then we'll plate this up, and I'll let you know what it tastes like. Now, for garnish, I'm going to use green onions to make it beautiful. I'll be back when I'm ready to try this. Oh, that's good. Oh, my goodness. Okay, everyone, our Rotel is done. Nice and warm through. And you know what? This doesn't take no time to cook, guys. At the most, a good 35 minutes. Hey, you're done. Right? Okay, let me show you. Let's come over to the plate. I'm so excited to taste this. My family's so ready. All right, so I have chips. Now, feel free to get any kind of tortilla chips you want. You actually, if you wanted to, you could use Doritos. Okay, we like the round kind. Okay, so that's what we got today. But any kind is just fine. All right, now watch this, guys. Seriously, watch this, watch this, watch this. Okay, let's try not to make a mess here. All right. Oh my goodness. Ooh, see, this right here, this is love. This is what love looks like, guys. This is what it tastes like, too. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. Whoops. Is this beautiful? Get you some green onions in. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Now you can layer all the chips you want on there. Okay? You can put another douse just like so. This right here, Rotel 101. If you all enjoyed this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, guys. If you haven't subscribed or you know somebody that needs to subscribe, give them my information. Okay, let's give this a try. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Give me some of those green onions. Look, 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 look. Oh man. Cheesy. Spicy. Creamy. You got that beef in there, guys. You got a little bit of salt from the tortilla chips. This right here, this is beautiful, guys. Look at this. This right here, guys, so delicious. Try this. Make this for your families. See if they don't come back asking for more. Look at this. I gotta get right there, guys. Look at that. It's so creamy and velvety from the cheese. And you got that tomato. And there's jalapenos in the Rotel. Give you that little bit of spice. This right here, guys, so freaking good. Look at me. Guys, I can't stop. It's so good. I want that one right there. Give me that big hunk of meat right there. Wow. Very delicious. And as always, God bless. Have a great night. And thank you all for watching. Good night.